how to fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. So if you want to fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Toca Life application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you just need to simply go and play. So when you're playing on your Toca Life World and you cannot see a character or a character disappeared on your Toca Life World, what you need to do is just go back to the home page. So just click on the button or the door icon. You will have the door icon on the top left, or you can also have an arrow in order to go back to your home page. So tap on the arrow, which will be on the upper left of your screen. So just tap onto that, and this should be able to lead you to the home page of the game. Once you're on the home page, you just need to simply go and play again. And after going to the play, your problem might be fixed. Or you also have the home option, which is on the top left. You need to tap on home. And here on the top right, you'll have a reset option. Tap on reset and then tap on reset all the characters. And after resetting, you'll fix your disappearing glitch. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.